Hello and welcome to How To Automotive. In today's video, I'm excited because I'm putting together a holiday shopping list featuring Gearwrench tools. So stay tuned for that. So I was just recently at SEMA and I stopped by the Gearwrench tool booth and saw all the latest tools that are coming out. So we're going to go in the booth and check them out and add these to our holiday shop list. So one of the top tools that Gearwrench is known for is, of course, ratcheting wrenches. They were like kind of the OG of ratcheting wrenches. They came out a long time ago, and they've gone through a lot of changes over the years. They used to be 72 teeth, now they're 90 teeth. The latest and greatest ones are 90 teeth count here. They have flex head, they have straight ones, they have ratcheting wrenches. They have all kinds of options for wrenches. So another thing they're known for is their ratchets. So I use these ratchets every day at the shop or here at the house. I use them professionally on my day job, and I use them as a hobbyist here at the house, building cars and stuff. They're a great tool, great value, great warranty. Definitely recommend Gearwrench ratchets. Another cool tool that Gearwrench has come out with lately is their extraction tools and their tools made for strip bolts and fasteners. They're called the Bolt Biter series. I'll let the guys at the SEMA show tell you all about it.
The Bolt Biter was so successful with the sockets, we expanded the line and we started to go with some of the nut drivers with the Bolt Biter design and some of the extraction tools with the Bolt Biter design. We sell a set with the drill bits and the extraction tools. What's neat about these is they're reusable. You drill the hole in the bolt, a little bit, you go a 1/4 inch deep, you hammer the extraction tool, hit it twice, you can use a ratchet or an impact to extract the bolt. And you can, in a pinch, you put it back in, it goes both directions.
Worry about snapping, huh?
It's so easy.
Nice.
It is so easy. So that's one of the big things that we just came out with.
They're a great add to your toolkit. Another great gift idea is tool storage organizers. So Gearwrench has quite a few options for organizing tools. They showed me a bunch of them there at the SEMA show. I'll let you take a look at those now. So of course Gearwrench offers toolboxes, but they also have these solutions for organizing your toolbox and keeping all your tools organized. And each and every one of these drawers, they have cutouts here that you can buy the sets with the cutouts already made, or you can just buy the foam pads with the cutouts, and you can put your sockets and extensions and screwdrivers and stuff in these foam pads. They have them for wrenches, they have them for sockets.
So we're going with, on the new products, these are called the modular sets. What happens is we have the foam cutout. So you can get the socket set, it's all labeled on the sizes, on the foam itself, it's also stamped on the socket itself. But if you lost the socket, you can figure out what size you've lost. So it's very easy. These are 2-inch size. They drop right into a standard toolbox. We offer them in the different drives, extensions. These are the wrenches. They come in different sizes. They have the SAE, they have the metric. We also have a bolt biter set for, just to drop in the toolbox, but it just keeps it organized. It's very easy for the mechanics to keep their tools organized. A lot of times they didn't want to cut out their own sets. So we decided we're going to make it. If they like it, great. If they don't, then they can cut it out.
A tool that's going to be high on any car girl or car guy's list is going to be a torque wrench. Those wrenches are designed for precision tightening, so you want something tightened exactly to a certain spec. The torque wrenches is what you will need. I have a video clip of them showing it off here at the SEMA show. The project manager is telling us all about it, so check that out.
Got some torque wrenches here that have the 120 XP head, so that's 60-tooth gear with a double stacked paw.
Now, I like how visible this is now. Instead of being chrome. That's so much
no
easier
longer
to see.
silver, high visibility, it's black and white in foot-pounds. We also improved the handle. Nothing is plastic. The handle is all metal. It's knurled, so when you grab it, you're not going to slip off. It's also easy to adjust. All you do is push this down, turn it, it locks into place. Before you had to adjust the whole handle. It was crazy. So we improved these a lot. We also put an end nub on it so your hand doesn't slip off. you get a lot of oil on your hands, you know, it's very hard to grip. This forces you, you have a center line. When you're torquing, you want accuracy, so you're going to grab it, you're going to use that. It's wonderful. It's good for 5,000 torque applications before you need
What's
to
the
have
torque rating? What's that go up to?
25 to 250 foot-pounds in the half-inch drive. Electronic torque wrench, they came out with the head is the 120 XP, so it's a 60 tooth with a 3-degree ratcheting arc, and it's a lot thinner, and also it's not as wide, so the head is a different design. Easy reversible lever on it. This should just push button.
This is Darren. Hi, Darren. Camera with my screen.
You can see the green light, the yellow light, the red light.
Does it vibrate also when it gets to torque?
When you reach your torque, the back light flashes, it vibrates, and it beeps. So with those three audible, you know, the audible, the flashing light, and the vibration, you're never going to over-torque a bolt.
Where's the digital readout for like setting the torque? How do you know what your torque is now?
And this one, they don't have it charged up.
Okay. Is it rechargeable by the way?
It is rechargeable.
Okay, I'll put battery.
Yeah. This is a rechargeable insert that pops out.
So like earlier today, Justin was able to use a 120 click low profile ratchet wrench to get into some of
That
these tight
is
spaces.
rechargeable. You just need a USB port. Yep. And that'll charge it right up.
So we'll go over a couple of my personal favorites, such as the service tray here and also the creeper. Now I work a lot here at my house, and without a creeper I wouldn't be able to do my job. So whenever I'm not using my hoist at the shop, I'm using the creeper, crawling under cars, getting under there to work on them. My mobile workstation also is a lifesaver here. I use it at the shop, I use it at the house. This one here, you can see it keeps me organized when I'm doing timing belts and stuff like that, and keep all the parts and tools right here, right next to the car, keeps me working efficiently. So I have a couple sets of the Gearwrench ratcheting wrenches. I have the straight and the flex head ratchets. I use these just about every day I'm working on a vehicle. I use them at the house and at the shop. Here I am at the shop right here using one of the wrenches. So whether you're working at the house or at the shop, you're going to need pliers, and you're going to need a lot of them. Gearwrench offers quite a few different sets. Also, when you're working on cars, you're going to need a ton of different ratchet options, and Gearwrench has just about every ratchet you can possibly think of out there. They have them with the comfort grip, without the comfort grip, flex head, non-flex head, locking flex head. They have shorts, stubbies. They have it all. Gearwrench also offers a ton of different sockets, such as Allen sockets, torque sockets, impact sockets, you name it, they got them. Some of my favorite sockets are these bolt biter ones. These are the ones designed to remove stripped bolts and fasteners. I was just using one at the shop to remove a stripped out drain plug here. It worked like a charm, got this drain plug off. I have a much more detailed video on these sockets. I recommend you check it out. I'll leave a link for it in the description, or also at the end of the video I'll leave a link for it. As you can see here, this drain plug was pretty stripped out, and the bolt biter sockets took it off with no problem. Highly recommend this set right here. Another cool thing is Gearwrench Tools makes a lot of specialty tools. So they have a catalog about this thick, full of just hundreds of tools to choose from. So if that very specific tool that you're looking for, they do offer that on their website. You just log on to gearwrench.com and go through their specialty tool list. If you know exactly what you're looking for, or what that car girl or car guy is looking for, you can find that stuff there. Like I said, they have specialty tools, they have standard tools, they have tools for working at home, they have tools for working in the shop. They support race car teams. So one of the things I like about Gearwrench Tools is the ability to get them just about anywhere. You can get them from tool trucks, you can get them from big box stores such as Home Depot, and you can get them online such as Amazon. They also come with great warranties. If you should have any type of problem, it's pretty simple to get them warrantied out. You just log on to gearwrench.com. They have a warranty page. You just follow the steps. Before you know it, your replacement tool is back in your hand. You're back at work. So that's a cool thing too. I'm Brian Nussel from How To Automotive. I will leave links for all the tools that I recommended in this video down in the description. I'd like to thank you guys for watching and encourage you to subscribe. Here is a quick walkthrough of the booth they had at SEMA and all the tools they had on display.
Sets here, Gearwrench with the 90-degree angle. Because I don't get, it's not a whole
They weren't flex, they were just fixed to 90?
Oh, no, it's a wrench.
Yeah, no, I know what you're talking about. Hold
But
on.
right now you have a flex head that goes back and forth. This you can push and it would fold. That's it.
All the way up to the ratchet wrench.
Remember.
Right.
Yeah, but he's talking about it going farther.